Do you have white hair? We all reach a point in our lives where the white hairs won't stop showing up, and we have to resort to dyeing them all the time. But happily, there are many other options for dyeing your hair at home and keeping its natural color. Here on the channel, we already taught you some recipes that include potato juice, flaxseed oil, essential oils, and coconut oil. Have you tried any of them? If you did, share your experience with us. In today's recipe, some ingredients from past recipes will make a new appearance: coconut oil and lemon juice. Coconut oil has lauric acid, known for cleaning the built-up sebum from the scalp, stimulating blood flow, promoting the regeneration of hair follicles, and restoring the natural pigments of hair shafts. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoids, and antioxidant complexes that hydrate, repair, and nourish the hair. Learn how to make the recipe to get rid of your white hairs using lemon juice and coconut oil. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If your hair is long, add more. Cut a lemon in half and add its juice to the coconut oil. Mix well with a fork. Divide your hair into sections and apply a generous amount of the mixture on the scalp and hair length. Gently massage with the tip of your fingers. Let the solution act for at least 30 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. Repeat the treatment at least once a week. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides that, it is worth remembering that some people have gray hair because of genetics or other factors. You can learn more about it in the suggested video. After doing this and other natural treatments, you also need to 1. Be careful with blow dryers. Try to keep a distance between the hot air and your hair. 2. Use a heat protectorant on your hair whenever you use hot styling tools, like flat or curling irons. 3. Avoid hot showers and wash your hair with cold water whenever possible. 4. Also, add a water filter to your shower to help filtrate chemical substances that may alter your hair color, like chlorine and heavy metals. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.